Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Now we're going to talk about if you do this, you will make money online. So let's talk about what you need to do to create that income stream. So number 1 is you need to be consistent. Now that makes sense, right? You're starting a business. If you're not consistent, what happens? You don't have a business. So that's important. And number 2, you have to focus. Focus on what you're doing every day, not to get, well, one day you want to do it, next day you just want to go to the beach, you don't want to bother. You can't do that. You got to focus. It's very important, especially if you're starting a business. I mean, would you get up in the morning and go to one job one day and another job the next week? Or whatever? Would you just jump around? That is no good. You have to focus on one thing and do it well before you add any more. And very important, number 3, but really kind of number 1, is your attitude. If you don't have a good attitude, how are you going to do your business? I mean, nobody's going to want any part of negativity at all. And if you're not building up, if you're not positive and building up, then you can't build up and tear down. So that is vital. So you really have to have a consistent focus and an incredible attitude. And now we're going to talk about the next steps. Okay, if you do this, then you can make money online because I'm giving you exact information that you need to follow what I did. And it works for everyone that follows and listens and actually does it. And that is your choice if you want it or not. And I've made over $2,200 in the months of June and July, and the program just launched the end of May, so that's pretty incredible. It works well, and you have to follow the steps. If you can follow instructions, you can do this. I mean, that's how simple it is. So I just wanted to give you that incredible, interesting info. No, that ain't gonna work. Now this is a completely different business model than most you find, because this is put in place so that you can follow instructions, have the exact blueprint, and make money right off the get-go quickly because you're doing what you need to be doing. And some of the steps, they're so incredibly simple. You go to the webinar once a week that tells people about it. We invite people. It's very simple. It's not hard to do. And we have videos that teach you exactly how. It's nothing for you to be able to do that. You also go to the trainings that will give you very simple instructions of what to do, and go to your webinar, you go to your training, okay? And you also, when you get paid, you also post your proof of getting paid. Now that's so much fun. And see, there's nothing hard about any of these steps. These are steps that have been put in motion that give everybody the exact, when you do simple steps every day, that creates habits, and that's what people do to build any business, is simple steps. And that's why this is so effective, because they're all laid out for you. You don't have to guess when you get in and figure out, oh, now what do I do? It's all laid out for you. And that's what's so incredibly wonderful. It's so newbie friendly. You don't have to have any experience or anything. You have everything you need. We also have a Facebook community that you're asked to participate in. So how hard is that? I mean, and people are coming into that group continually because they want to know what's going on. They want to see the action and what we're doing. And so that's highly effective for people to love it. Who likes to be in an incredible location, hive of people that are making money and that are just highly active in the group? The numbers just keep growing and growing. I mean, there's nothing better than that if you're going to be working online, and that's what we have. And then we have these traffic packages that are like none other. I'm telling you, the people tell you how much money they have to invest and how much time they have to do it. So that's pretty cool, right? And these are the top-notch. These traffic packages are only available for those in our group, and that's exciting. And that's it. You do the steps, you go to the webinars, you go to the trainings, and you're creating these habits, simple things that teach you. Doesn't take more than 2 hours a day. Okay, so who has maybe 10 hours a week and you're in? You know, you can do this. I mean, once you get this built up, look at the time freedom you're going to have. Look at the incredible fun you're going to enjoy. And those of you who would like time freedom, that would like to get away from your job because you don't like it, whatever the reason. I mean, I've been doing this since my kids were little. Now I have 7 grandkids. Can you imagine? Of course, I told you that. And it's amazing. I love it. I love my lifestyle. So I just wanted to give you the information because I want to share this. It's very exciting for anybody that wants to create a new income stream. And just follow the steps. You do this and you make money online, absolutely, hands down, no questions asked. That's what it is. So I appreciate you watching my video. Thanks for stopping by. Please hit the bell button to like my channel and comment below my video. And appreciate you coming by here. So bye from Alaska. Hey guys, I forgot to mention, I wanted to upload a proof video so you can see my income and you can see what I've earned, and that's very important. So I wanted to let you know not to get off yet. And also, when you do get done, you want to go to my website so you can get more information and details, and then you want to ask me to add you to our Facebook group, because we talked about that, and you definitely want to be in there so you can see what's going on. So you can go to my Facebook page and message me. And if you want to be in my Facebook group, you want to put the words HIVE in the message, because I get lots of messages. So the important part is to put the word HIVE in there so I know exactly what to do, is put you and add you, and then I will write you back and let you know you've been added so you can accept it and see all the action and all the fun we're having making money online. See, so I want to do that. So I'm going to do a video and show you my back office to my financial that comes with the system that you will have as well when you join, that shows you what you make. So that's cool, very nice, and I appreciate it. And thanks. Bye.